carried out in the modified cathode, electrical discharge carried out in the modified cathode, and it is a cathode ray tube. It is led to the discovery of the specific canal rays. Okay, these rays carrying or for cathode rays carrying positively charged particles. The characteristics of positively charged particles are listed below. What are their specific characters? Unlike cathodes, if you see there, cathode rays, mass of positively charged particles, they are generally depends on the nature of gas that is present in the cathode ray. So why? Because the cathode ray tube generally contain a specific gas. These are simple and positively charged gaseous ions. These positively charged gaseous ions, charge to mass ratio of the particles depends on the gas from which these originate. Some of the positively charged and specific positively charged particles carry a multiple of the fundamental unit of, we can say that, fundamental unit of electrical charge. Okay, and the behavior of these particles in the magnetic and electrical fields is opposite, observed for electrons and cathode rays. And by this, the smallest and lightest positive ion was obtained from hydrogen. So the hydrogen contained smallest and lightest positive ion that was called later on as a proton. This positively charged particle was characterized in 1919 during 19th century. Later, a need was felt for the presence of electrically neutral particle as one of the constituent of an atom. I am talking about here neutral atom. This neutral atom particles were discovered by James Chadwick for the first time, okay, in 1932 by bombarding a thin sheet of beryllium and alpha particles which are going to be interact with them. When electrically neutral particles having a mass, neutral particles, they are having a mass, specific mass, but slightly greater than that of what protons were emitted. These protons are going to be emitted later on. He named these particles as neutron. The important property of all these fundamental particles are given below, and remaining part will